Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to the Moses Show. We are here to make you more informed than yesterday. Today, we gather to reflect upon the rich tapestry of Haitian history, a narrative woven by the contributions and sacrifices of countless individuals who dared to shape the destiny of a nation. From the turbulent echoes of the past to the resilient spirit that defines us today, each chapter tells a story of courage, resilience, and determination. In the annals of our history, there stand towering figures whose names are etched in the collective memory of our people, guiding lights who illuminated the path to freedom and sovereignty. Allow me to share with you a glimpse into the lives and legacies of these key historical figures who have left an indelible mark on the heart of Haiti. First among them, Toussaint Louverture, a beacon of hope in the darkest of times. Born of slavery yet destined for greatness, he emerged as a visionary leader during the tumult of the Haitian Revolution. With unwavering resolve, he fought for liberty, defying the shackles of oppression and paving the way for a new dawn of freedom. Alongside him stood Jean-Jacques Dessalines, a fearless warrior whose valor knew no bounds. In the crucible of battle, he led our people to victory, proclaiming the birth of a sovereign nation and assuming the mantle of leadership as Emperor Jacques I. His courage and conviction inspired generations to come, igniting the flame of independence in every Haitian heart. And let us not forget Henri Christophe, a towering figure of strength and fortitude. From the ashes of conflict, he rose to prominence, guiding our nation through the trials of nation-building with steadfast determination. His legacy endures in the majestic walls of the Citadelle La Ferrière, a testament to his unwavering commitment to our sovereignty. In the southern reaches of our homeland, Alexandre Pétion stood as a champion of democracy and education. Through his tireless efforts, he sowed the seeds of progress, cultivating a vision of unity and enlightenment that continues to shape our nation to this day. As the pages of history turned, Jean-Pierre Boyer emerged as a unifying force, bridging the divides that threatened to tear our nation asunder. With wisdom and diplomacy, he navigated the turbulent waters of politics, guiding Haiti towards a brighter future despite the challenges that lay ahead. Yet, amidst the triumphs, we cannot overlook the shadows that linger in our past. François Duvalier, known to many as Papa Doc, cast a long shadow over our nation, his reign marked by oppression and tyranny. Though his legacy is one of darkness, it serves as a reminder of the enduring struggle for justice and freedom that defines us as a people. And finally, we come to Jean-Bertrand Aristide, a figure of controversy and contradiction. His presidency was a testament to the complexities of leadership, marked by moments of triumph and adversity. While his vision of social justice inspired hope in the hearts of many, it also stirred dissent among those who questioned the cost of progress. In the tapestry of Haitian history, each thread tells a story of resilience, perseverance, and hope. From the triumphs of liberation to the trials of nation-building, we stand as heirs to a legacy forged in the fires of adversity. As we gaze upon the path that lies ahead, let us draw strength from the courage of those who came before us, for their spirit lives on in every heartbeat of our nation.